Hey everyone, welcome to the next topic. In this topic, we will do an exercise. In this exercise, we will create a custom shape and customize it. As we have already learned about custom shapes in our previous videos, we are just sort of revising it. As you can see on the screen, we have bird shape that I have imported. If I want to customize or draw any custom shape, then I need to select the pen tool. So this is the bird shape and I will trace it with the help of a pen tool and I will change its fill as it's a bird. So maybe green will look nice. I will zoom in a little bit so that I can trace it properly. That looks good. You can do this. According to your preference, I chose a bird shape. You can take anything that you want. Let me trace it roughly as we don't have much time. Now you can see that our bird shape is created and customized. I will remove the background. This is how you can make custom shape. You can even make changes and adjust afterward as per your choice. So now if you want to copy this shape, we can do any changes as we know about the properties. So if I have to duplicate this, what we have to do is we will click on the shape of properties. Then we have to add. As we have to duplicate this shape, we will use the option that is called repeater. You can see that this is the repeater. You can fix up the distance and make as many copies as you want like this. After making the copies, I will make a stroke. Here stroke is totally 0. I am increasing the stroke and changing the color to dark green. Now you can see that our object is looking cool. This is how you can make some objects. This is the repeater. You can increase or decrease according to yourself. Now let me set it to 3. Then we have our offset also. You can see if I make changes on this, it happens to all other duplicate copies. This is how you can make custom shapes and customize it. In the next topic, we will talk about how to create 3D shapes. So let's jump into the next topic. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and share the video.